How to clear iPhone cache on iOS 26.4. So the first thing that you can do is simply clear your history and data of Safari. For that, get to your settings, and then from here, if you scroll all the way down, then tap on apps, and then here search for Safari. Here you can see Safari right here, tap on it, and then simply open the settings of it. From here, scroll down until you see the option of clear history. Here you can see clear history and website data, tap on it. And then in here, you'll have to now select all history and all profiles just like this. And if you scroll down a bit, tap on clear history. And just like this, you have now successfully cleared all of your Safari history and website data. That will help you minimize your system data. So after doing that, another thing that you're going to do is go back and get to the general. Here on the main settings, scroll down, then tap on general. And in here, tap on iPhone storage. After doing that, here, scroll down, and in here, you will be seeing all of the applications that you currently have on your phone. If you don't use any of those applications, you can simply offload it or you can simply delete it. So in here, if I scroll down a bit, for example, I don't really use this particular app, then I'm going to tap on it. And then what you're going to do is simply tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time. And after doing that, you can either keep this app offloaded until you need to use it, or you can simply tap on reinstall app just like this, and then reinstall this application again. This will help you clear off the cache of this application and again help you with your system cache. So after doing that, again, I'm going to go back and go through all of the applications. And in here, you can tap on show all in order to see all of the applications. And for example, I really don't use this particular application, then I'm going to tap on it, and you can now simply tap on delete app, tap on delete one more time, and completely remove this application from your phone. This will definitely help you with your system cache. Again, do the same thing with this particular app, just like this, delete it. And these were some ways that you can try to clear your iPhone cache on iOS 26.4. So even after doing all of these, if you still feel like it hasn't completely been cleared, then you can try to force restart your iPhone. For that, you can simply click on your volume up button, volume down button, and then keep pressing on your power on button until you see Apple logo, then release the button, and this will force restart your iPhone. And just like that, you'll be able to clear your cache. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.